Welcome back, beautiful people. If you're new, thanks for coming. Hope you like this video. We have Mindful Souls. So if you want to know what this box is all about, you love spirituality, you love mindfulness, and you just want to have something different, or maybe give it as a gift, check it out. Share the love. Hashtag Mindful Souls. This box is about $34. So we're going to get into it and see what we got for December. So again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well, and comment down below. So just cracked it open. Ooh. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. And it gives you a description of all the products on the back. No prices, but we're gonna get into each one. So it looks like we have 6 items here for December. Let's get into our affirmation card. And it's right here. Brought to you by Mindful Souls. Affirmation for resentment. The more resentment I release, the more love I have to express. That's a beautiful one. Oh, by the way, if you haven't checked out Wellness with Frugalmama, she does this unboxing as well. So go check hers out. And if you're coming from Wellness with Frugalmama, thanks so much for coming. I hope you like this unboxing and stay tuned for more because I have lots of unboxings on this channel. All right, so we get a sticker and it looks like some crystals. This is very pretty. And I'm gonna put my affirmation card right over here. Got quite the collection. So they come in these little goodie bags, and each bag looks like this. So let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh, this is beautiful. So this is like a lotus flower hairpin. Let's see. Lotus hair clip and lotus wrap ring. Okay, so there's 2 items. So this is the hair clip. It has a little snap feature there. What do you guys think? I think it's super pretty. In Buddhism, the lotus flower is known to symbolize purity of speech, of the body, and of the mind. That's perfect. The majority lotus flower symbolization is its association with spiritual awakening or enlightenment. And the Buddhists are all about enlightenment. So the lotus flower is an awesome representation. It's so pretty. Let's see, what else do we have? I'm going in the order of how I open these bags, so. Ooh, well, this came with, oh, look at this. Look at this chain. Very nice. And here we have a Dreamcatcher Essential Oil Diffuser necklace. Okay. So oh, all right. And that's what these discs are. So you get these discs, you drop some oils on there, and then you place it in your locket. I'm not sure how to open it. There we go. I can see how it would open. Maybe you guys can't see, but I could see how it would open. And we'll just close it. And so then you would carry around that essential oil. So a diffuser necklace is a great way to bring your oils with you. Just place a few drops of your favorite essential oils on the replacement pad and carry it with you. You smell good without toxic chemicals in the deodorants or perfumes. That is really pretty. All right, next we have this. So let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a bracelet. Let's see which, oh, solar system bracelet. Look at that. Okay, this is truly stunning. Delicate bracelet that celebrates our home in the cosmos, our solar system. Wear a mini version of the entire solar system on your wrist with this awesome solar system bracelet. This is so cute. Each planet is represented by a gemstone bead. The bracelet is made from the selection of lava beads, jade, sandstone, tiger's eye, and lapis lazuli, and others. That is so creative. All right, what's next? These little satchels are amazing. Okay, we got a wrapped necklace here. And what is this? Raw green fluorite necklace. Green fluorite, if you could see it, super green right there. Green fluorite crystal is especially powerful for growth and healing on all levels. Energy vacuum cleaner. Ooh, that's nice. They also tell you how to clean each stone so you get rid of any negative energies or other people's energies that were associated with this. Okay, so let me see what the next one is. Oh, I think this is our Lotus wrap ring. Oh yes, look at how pretty this is. So let's go on to say, starting at the seed stage, early in the karmic cycle, through the bud emerging from the dirty water, representing a person following the path of spirituality. Okay, leaving attachment behind and finally blossoming. This is when a person has become fully awakened and has achieved nirvana. That is a beautiful ring. Okay, let's check out something else. Oh, we got a set of healing chakra stones. Awesome. Yeah. So in this little baggie, there's some stones. This is great. All right, so let me see if I can show you right there. And then it comes with a little chakra meaning right here, because I'm not too familiar with chakras, but there's 7. 7 is a magical number. So you got the crown, which is clear quartz. Oops. Let me see if I can show you all of them. Clear quartz. Brown chakra is amethyst. Throat chakra is lazurite. Heart chakra is pink quartz and averterine. Solar plexus chakra is tiger's eye. Sacral chakra is red jasper, and the root chakra is black obsidian, which is this one. I know that one. So that's pretty neat. Let me put it back in the baggie so it doesn't get lost. So those were the items that we got. This is great for somebody who is really into spirituality, into crystals, into the power of healing by other means. So we got the baggie of the chakra stones. We got the dream catcher essential oil diffuser. We got the solar planet bracelet. We got the Lotus ring, Lotus hair clip. I feel like I'm missing one. Oh yes, the green fluorite necklace. That's pretty cool. I think these items are really great. If you haven't tried this, go check it out. I will leave a link in the description or in the comment section. But I really think this is great. And again, if you are coming from Frugalmama's channel, thank you so much. And if you haven't gone to check out her video, go ahead and check that out. I will also leave that in the comment section so you guys can click on the link and go check her out, and make sure you leave a comment. And as always, guys, stay safe.